Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm sharing with you how to make this super easy DIY chocolate covered strawberry bouquet. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna start off by pouring some chocolate melts into a microwave safe bowl, and just make sure to read the back of the bag for instructions. And while that is melting in the microwave, I am going to take some skewers and insert them into freshly washed strawberries. Once I finished with that, the chocolate was melted, and now it's time to dip all of the strawberries into the chocolate. I found that dipping it in and swirling it was the easiest way, so that's really how I did that. And then I took some sprinkles that I found at Michael's and covered each strawberry with that. I didn't really care too much how the red sprinkles looked on the strawberry, so for the most part, I really just went with the white sprinkles. Making sure to lay everything onto the wax paper and then add your sprinkles as you go. Because I didn't care too much with how the red sprinkles looked, I ended up actually going and getting some white chocolate melts later, and I dipped a whole bunch of them into white chocolate and used the red sprinkles on top of that. I then take my cookie sheet and put that into the freezer. It really takes about an hour or two to get everything cooled down. I took this styrofoam cone and started inserting all of the chocolate covered strawberries into it. This is what is going to give us that bouquet look. When I inserted the strawberries, I varied on the length, some smaller roses in the front and then some taller ones in the back. And here is where you could see where I made the extra strawberries that are covered in white. And then I also re-dipped some in the dark chocolate and then sprinkled some white chocolate on top. Then laying the styrofoam cone and the chocolate covered strawberries onto some tissue paper, I then began to wrap the styrofoam and cover it so that we wouldn't be able to see it. I then found a cute heart ribbon from my local craft store, and then I tied it off at the bottom. This is such an easy DIY Valentine's Day gift idea because who doesn't like chocolates on Valentine's Day? And this bouquet adds such a special touch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!